I'm Alessandra Barrett, Senior Content Editor for JOC. I'm at TPM 2016, and I'm with Tom Capozzi, Chief Sales Officer for the Port of Virginia. Thanks for joining me today, Tom.
It's a pleasure.
How's the port preparing for the mega ship so it doesn't see the congestion that it saw last year?
We feel that we are one of the few ports that actually has the ability to grow our capacity significantly in the near term and over the long term. You combine that with our rail connectivity to the Midwest and the deep water that we have, 50 feet of water. We're also looking at dredging to 55 feet. You put all those things together, and I think we've got the ability to handle whatever the future throws at us. We have a number of projects that are in the works. We're going to be adding close to 1 million containers worth of capacity over the next 5 years. We've invested over $160 million in the facilities over the past 2 years.
PPA recently signed a port agreement with Cuba. How are you positioned to capitalize on this trade?
Well, the MOU with Cuba came about. Our governor, Terry McAuliffe, has been a big proponent of reestablishing trade with Cuba. The Commonwealth of Virginia has actually been doing trade with Cuba since 2003. And we've been exporting a tremendous amount of agricultural products there. So this was like a next step for the port to really be supportive of those efforts. We like to view ourselves as a catalyst for commerce, so we're trying to help the state grow that trade with Cuba. And when and if the trade embargo is lifted, we feel like we've planted the seeds for future growth and positioned the port well to be able to sort of reestablish those links with Cuba once the general trade is opened up.
Well, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you, Allie. Pleasure to be here.
I've been speaking with Tom Capozzi, Chief Sales Officer for the Port of Virginia.